decent workshop should know this and should do this. Here we are at the workshop. Inside here, I'm gonna change a tire.
All night and break
One very important thing I want to show you. Look here, no bolts. No bolts. No caliper mounted. So I cannot brake. Now it's free and I tighten the front axle. To make sure this is moving freely, we got this inner tube that is moving in a direct line inside the outer tube on both legs. If there is a wrong formation, if it's pinched or if it's in a Y shape or any other shape that's not straight, the movement of the forks will not be as good as it can be. It will actually be very bad. To make sure this works as it's supposed to, I will do this. And every good mechanic on every decent workshop should know this and should do this. Without using any brakes, I cannot use brakes now because the calipers are loose. I'll just pump the bike up and down. I'll just find the balance point at the middle. I will pump it straight down. Okay, this will do. I will put it gently on the side stand so it doesn't move. If there was any movement here, the movement would have been here, because this part is not fixed on the axle. This can move from side to side, and now it's moved in the best way possible. So this will be straight, the outer leg will be straight according to the inner leg, and now it will move freely up and down as it's supposed to. Now we'll just put on some bolts, tighten it up so it stays there.